Hey everyone, it's me, Paul. We're getting ready to do a repair here. The client says they want to save the bumper and just repair what's here, so I'm going to use a little bit of heat to manipulate some of this back into place. Put some reinforcements in here, then a thin layer of filler, and then primer, paint, clear coat, and get this thing to look like new again. Okay, let's get started. Okay, got everything flattened out pretty good. Everything melted back. I'm still going to put some soldering staples in there anyway, just as like a little bit more of a structure, just in case. Okay, we got everything leveled off, the filler and the fiberglass, and I'm going to throw a couple of coats of primer on this thing, and once that's done we'll sand all that down. So one step at a time, we're getting closer. Okay, got the primer on. Put a little bit of dye coat on there. I'm going to block sand it down a little bit. Then we're going to blend this color out, but almost done. Okay, I got everything prepped. I'm going to tack it off now. And go ahead and throw the base coat on, the base color. I'm going to blend the color out to about here, and then pearl, and then clear coat. Okay, I got the first coat on. The color darkens up as it dries more, and then I'm going to blend that color out some, and then the pearl, that's going to darken it up and make it match more with the factory finish. That's how three-stage pearls work a lot of the times. Not all the time, but a lot of the times. All right, go ahead and throw a couple more coats on. Okay, I got the base coat on. I'm just going to tack off a little bit of the overspray, and then we're going to throw the pearl on. Okay, we got the pearl on. Time for clear coat. Okay, all done. The repair took about 5 hours to complete out here, and it was a 3-stage pearl. And instead of replacing the whole bumper, they said, hey, let's just repair it. So I did that, and it's good to go. So the car's ready to drive. Any questions that you may have, feel free to contact me. Otherwise, have an awesome day. Bye.